Namaste everyone. I am very proud of my niece Sania Patankar. She is a shining star of Sri Yoga, not Sri Yoga, the Sabnis family, and she's my sister's daughter. Uh, and she has accomplished very high level in classical music with her talent, God's gift, her work and the blessings for her from her teachers. And I would like Dr. Ramesh Wagmare to say a few words about her.
Well, I think Saniaji doesn't need any introduction. I have given some lectures on music on behalf of Sri Yoga, and all the knowledge I tried to transmit has come from Saniaji, and whatever mistakes I might have made they are mine. Saniaji has so many concerts. Generally, she has 3 concerts per week, and she goes all over India. So sometimes I wonder when she goes home. But and that addition to that, she also has toured Europe so many times, and I wonder sometimes when she gets up during her tour, she wonders where she is. Sania ji, though she is so busy, she is the best teacher I came across, and I took lessons from 3 teachers. But Sania ji's lessons, they completely became ingrained in me because she is so thorough in her teaching, gives you the notes, and the swara lipi, and she also gives you the examples from popular songs and also gives you stage to sing. This is very unique in her. In spite of all that, Saniaji finds time to train so many students that everywhere you go, there is at least one student. Even near me, there is one student, Saniaji Swati Sathe is there. And she trains all kinds of students so long as she sees that there is an urge to sing. So, welcome to the Sri Yoga uh, ashram of uh, Yoga Shri Srikanji Muni.
So Ramesh calls this as online ashram. So we all meet. Some of us meet in the morning for pranayam and other classes, and then sometimes in the afternoons for chair class, easy class, and we always meet in the evening for the meditation. And so it's extended online family, and
Yes.
he calls it an ashram. So welcome to the Sri Yoga Ashram. And go ahead, Sania, if you want to say a few words.
Yes, really grateful, thankful to Sri Wagmareji for the kind words. Actually, I'm doing my musical. Teaching and everything is a part of my journey. And please bless me with the most important. Wagmareji also is doing so much for my organization, Prerna Music Organization, and my uncle Shrikant Sabnis. He is also very much enthusiastic and inspiring us with his meditation as well as his love for music. And thank you, Mama Shrikant Mama and Sri Wagmareji for the today's event.
Our
My
pleasure.
students are also performing, and other artists who are like my family members, and they are doing very nicely. Today's special Divyang Kalakar Sangeet Sabha for all of us, and we are all eagerly waiting for that. Really, thanks again, Magmareji, and good to see you after a long time. Thank you.
Yeah, actually, it's my privilege, to have learned from you.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
So go ahead, Sania, if you want to introduce Bhushan, and then we'll continue.
Yes. Bhushan will be beginning today's music program, and is the most talented student I have ever seen in my music journey, and he's doing so nicely. All the way from Pimpri Chinchwad to my home, he used to come alone by bus, and he has, in spite of the many difficulties and struggle in his life, he has done, achieved a lot and many degrees and right from CA and everything, and he's master of in music and everything, and very versatile and very good singer. And I also learned from learning from him the courage and positivity and everything. So really great. Thank you all of you to invite him today.
It's my pleasure that you gave me this
Uh-huh.
opportunity, and
Yeah,
thank you.
thank you. Yeah.
All right, so shall we start the music program, Bhushan?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And as I mentioned earlier, after this first segment, we'll have a short break. If you want to have any comments about the presentations, and then we'll continue the second segment.
Namaste. I am Bhushan Toshniwal from Pune, Maharashtra, India. I would like to thank Shri Yoga and especially my guru Vidushi Surmani Sania Patankarji, the founder of Prerna Music Organization, for giving me this great opportunity to perform in front of all of you. Today, I am accompanied on harmonium by Shri Upendra Sahasrabuddheji and on tabla by Shri Satish Kadeji. Now, before I start the program, I request my mother, Srimati Vijaya Toshniwal, to introduce myself. Thank you.
Namaste. Brief introduction of C.A. Bhushan Toshniwal. Some are born great, some achieve greatness through dedication and determination, but very few are those who, in spite of their disability, make the prejudiced world take notice of them. C.A. Bhushan Toshniwal's life journey serves as an inspiration to one I know. Having lost eyesight when he was 20 days old, he had to face many rejections in terms of getting admission in school, college, people's skepticism about his ability, inability to get a guru for music, lack of braille audio books for commerce stream, etc. But through this, his strong willpower, self-confidence, hard work, effort to strive for perfection, never give up attitude, and the ability to make the best of available resources, he has reached great heights in the field of academics, music, literature, and motivational speaking. Along with CA, Bhushan possesses 6 other postgraduate degrees. He came first in Sangeet Alankar all over India. He is a child prodigy who sang 5 ragas at the age of 5 and performed at the prestigious Savai Gandharva Mahotsav, Kundagol, at the age of 7, where he was blessed by Padma Vibhushan, Gangubai Hangal, and Bharat Ratna Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. He is the winner of the reality show Tak Dina Din, finalist at Sankara Super Singer, and a semi-finalist at Sare Gamapa and Maharashtra Sangeet Ratna. He performs both Hindustani and Carnatic classical and semi-classical music and is the high-graded artist of radio and Doordarshan. He is the recipient of the scholarship from the Government of India and from Savai Gandharva Mahotsav Samiti for his musical talents, and Dhirubhai Ambani scholarship in academics when he came 11th in the merit list of HSC Pune board. His gurus include the likes of Padma Shri Anup Jalota, Padma Shri Padmaja Penani Zoblekar, Dr. Vikas Kashalkar, Padma Bhushan late Ustad Rashid Khan, Surmani Sania Patankar for Hindustani classical and semi-classical music, and Jayalakshmi Krishnamurti, and Sangeet Samrat Chitraveena N. Ravi Kiran for Carnatic music. He has also given motivational speeches all around India in various CA conferences, companies, and colleges. CA Bhushan has been the recipient of many awards including Swami Vivekananda Puraskar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati Puraskar, Yuva Gaurav Puraskar, Rashtra Gaurav Puraskar, Swara Bhushan, and the National Role Model Award from His Excellency the President of India. He was felicitated by Shankaracharya at Sringeri for reciting complete Bhagavad Gita. He believes in the quote by Swami Vivekananda, to need to look behind forward, you should have infinite energy, infinite zeal, infinite courage, and infinite patience. Then only will the great things be achieved.
Thank you. I begin my recital with a devotional song in praise of Bhagwan Ganpati, set to Rag Yaman, sung by my Guru's Guru, Dr. Vasantrao Deshpande ji. प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, गजानना गणराया, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो. विघ्न विनाशक दुरितन पालक, विघ्न विनाशक दुरितन पालक, दुरित तिमिरहारका, दुरित तिमिरहारका, सुखकारक तू दुःख विनारक, सुखकारक तू दुःख विनारक, तुझ तुझ्या सारख. वक्रतुंड ब्रह्मांड नायका, वक्रतुंड ब्रह्मांड नायका, विनायका करुणाया, रंगमधुरा वंदितो कृपाळा, रंगमधुरा वंदितो. I will continue my recital with a ghazal sung by the legendary singer Ghulam Ali, followed by a Natya Geet from the play Katyal Kaza Bhusri. This unique rendition is my humble effort to show how the same raga Bhimpalas is treated differently in different genres, which is ghazal and Natya Sangeet. अपनी आवाज की लर्जिश पे तो काबू पालो, अपनी आवाज की लर्जिश पे तो काबू पालो, प्यार के बोल तो होठों से निकल जाते हैं, अपने तेवर तो संभालो, अपने तेवर तेवर तेवर, अपने तेवर तो संभालो कि कोई न कहे। दिल बदलते हैं तो चेहरे भी बदल जाते हैं। और बच्चे से बिना सुखाया याद है हम अब तक आशिकी का वो जमाना आया है रात आया है बेरुखी के साथ सुन दर्द दिल की दास्तान बेरुखी बेरुखी के साथ सुना दर्द दिल की दास्तान वो गहराई में तेरा कंगन माया है वो गहराई में तेरा कंगन माया है हमको अब तक आशिकी का वो जमाना याद है चुपके हाथ में आंसू बहाना याद है कल मगर मगर नबी आमिर कल सेवना कल सचालू लगे कल मगर लगे प्रिय आमिर मगर नबी 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 आमिर कल सेवना कल सचालू लगे कल मगर लगे da My Guru's Guru, Dr. Vasantrao Deshpande ji's very weak style of doing sangam. I will conclude my recital with a tabba in Rag Bhairavi.
Thank you very much, Bhushan, for the program. Unless anyone has comments, we can continue. Sania, I can introduce the other group, or I can start the recording next. Okay.
Yes. Now, next, they are small kids of Sanstha Bal Kalyan. They are also doing very nicely and really great, Bhushan. We are all surprised to see your tayari and the most difficult form, Tappa, and in classical also he was doing Murchana and many types. Really great to hear your recital. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
So let me continue, Sania, with the next session.
Yes.
Thank you, Bhushan.
Yes.
Namaskar. I am Aparna Mahesh Panse from Bal Kalyan Sanstha, Pune, Maharashtra, India. I welcome to all of you for today's musical program. Here I just want to say something about our Sanstha. Our Sanstha is established in 1979 by the Governor of Maharashtra. Here we have a very unique combination of trustees where some ex-officials and the social worker are working together for betterment of specially able students. Nowadays, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, called them Divyang. At our institute, we serve all types of Divyang students, including visually impaired, hearing impaired, cerebral palsy, autism spectrum, orthopedically handicapped, etc. etc. We serve with various activities like music, dance, drama, instrumental music, art and craft, drawing, all types of sports, swimming, computer, pottery, and all. We have our own swimming pool. With that, we are serving various types of therapies under one roof. We have physiotherapy, we have counselor, we have speech therapist, we have aqua therapist, we have vestibular therapy, etc. etc. In our institute, more than 5,000 students are served with these kind of activities. More than 85 schools are attached with our Sanstha in Pune district, and these activities are totally free of cost for them. Today, we are presenting one musical program for you. Our students and their teacher, Mr. Dattatreya Bhave sir, Mr. Sanjay Hebare, who was a student of Bal Kalyan Sanstha and now he is working as a teacher for them. Even a Sanket Lohkare, they all working specially for this program. In this program, you can hear one autistic child, one hearing impaired, mentally challenged, and all types of specially able or Divyanga students. So once again, I welcome you all and definitely wish that if one of you or some of you, whenever you come to India or visit Maharashtra, Pune, do visit our Sanstha. Namaskar.
शुभनयना करुणामय गौरी हर श्री वरद विनायक शुभनयना करुणामय गौरी हर श्री वरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गांधपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूर निरागस सूर निरागस गणपति सूर निरागस हो तसे वाहो सुरातून ओंकार गणपती अधिपती सुखपती छंदपती गंधपती सुरपती लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूर निरागस सूर निरागस गणपती सूर निरागस सूर निरागस सूर निरागस
ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके हुए गुलाबी लाल सुनहरे रंग दल बादल के ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके घर आंगन वन उपवन उपवन करती ज्योति अमृत से सिंचन मंगल घट ढल के मंगल घट ढल के ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके पात पात बिरवा हरियाला धरती का मुख हुआ उजाला सच सपने कल के सच सपने कल के ज्योति कलश छलके ज्योति कलश छलके कलश छलके। ज्योति यशोदा धरती गैया, नील गगन गोपाल कन्हैया। श्यामल छवि झलके, श्यामल छवि झलके। ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके। हुए गुलाबी लाल सुनहरे, रंग दल बादल के। ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके।
पान जागे फूल जागे, भावनयनी जागला। चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला। चांदण्याचा गंध आला पौर्णिमेच्या रात्रीला। चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला। स्पर्श हा रेशमी, हा शहारा बोलतो। सूर हा ताल हा, जीव वेडा डोलतो। रात राणीच्या फुलांनी देह माझा चुंबिला। चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला। लाजरा बावरा हा मुखाचा चंद्रमा। अंग का चोरीसी धो जीवांच्या संगमा। आज प्रीतीने सुखाचा मार्ग माझा शिंपिला। चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला, चंद्र आहे साक्षीला। अधीर मन झाले मधुर घन आले धुक्यातुनी नभातले सख्या प्रिया सरीतुनी सुरेल धुंद स्वर हे आले मधुर घन आले धुक्यातुनी नभातले सख्या प्रिया सरीतुनी सुरेल धुंद स्वर हे आले अधीर मन झाले मी अशा रंगाची मोतियांगाची केवड्या गंधाची बहरले ना उमगले रानाला विठला पानाला माझ्या सरदाराला समजले ना आला रे काळजा खाला रे झेलला आला रे गगन भरी झाले रे अधीर मन झाले मधुर घन आले सोसला वारामी झेलल्या धारामी प्यायला पारामी बहकले ना गावच्या पोरानी रानच्या मोरानी शिवारी साऱ्यांनी पाहिले ना उठली रे फुलही उठले रे चाल रे ते सुटली रे तिला जर झाले रे अधीर मन मधुर घन धुक्यातुनी नभातले सख्या प्रिया सरीतुनी सुरेल धुंद स्वर हे बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए देखिए वो काली काली बत्तियाँ जुल्फ की घटा चुरा न ले कहीं चोर चोरी आके शूक बिजलियाँ आपकी अदा चुरा न ले कहीं करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। Thank you.
सजल नयन नित्य धार बरसती, सजल नयन नित्य धार बरसती, सजल नयन नित्य धार बरसती। भावगंध त्या जळी मिसळती, भावगंध त्या जळी मिसळती, सजल नयन नित्य धार बरसती, सजल नयन नित्य धार बरसती। वीणेचे स्वर अबोल झाले, वीणेचे स्वर अबोल झाले, वीणेचे स्वर अबोल झाले। गीतामधले काव्य ही सरले, गीतामधले काव्य ही सरले। मुक्या मनाच मुकेच आठव मुक्या मनाचे मुकेच आठव मूक दीप ज्योती सम जळतील मूक दीप ज्योती सम जळतील सजल नयन नितधार बरसती सजल नयन नितधार बरसती चंद्र चांदणे सरले आता चंद्र चांदणे सरले आता चंद्र चांदणे सरले आता चंद्र चांदणे सरले आता विरस जाहली जीवन गाथा विरस जाहली जीवन गाथा त्या भेटीतील अमृतधारा त्या भेटीतील अमृतधारा तुझ्या विना विषधारा होती तुझ्या विना विषधारा होती सजल नयन नितधार बरसती सजल नयन नितधार बरसती थकले पैंजण शरणही थकले थकले पैंजण चरणही थकले थकले पैंजण चरणही थकले वृंदावनीचे मोहन सरले वृंदावनीचे मोहन स्वरले तुझ्या स्मृतींची फुले प्रेमने तुझ्या स्मृतींची फुले प्रेमने अजून उखाणे मला घाली अजून उखाणे मला घाली सजल नयन नितधार बरसती सजल नयन नितधार बरसती भावगंध त्या जळी मिसळती भावगंध त्या जळी मिसळती सजल नयन नितधार बरसती सजल नयन सजल नयन सजल नयन नितधार बरसती.
Wonderful, very nice. Sania?
हॅलो ये
हा, तर आता पुढचं सुरू करण्यापूर्वी गौरीची आई बोलणार आहे का काही?
हा हा गौरी आर यू देअर इन द ऑडियन्स?
आय डोंट नो.
येस येस गौरी इज इन द ऑडियन्स.
ओके.
हा गौरी ठीक आहे काय त्यांचं कनेक्शन आहे गौरी कॅन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट युअर माइक गौरी शी इज देअर we can start maybe some problem or net issue maybe so
Okay.
now Gauri is also very talented student and today in the end she will be presenting her light classical recital and she is also very talented student also and artist and have performed in many music programs.
So, okay, I'll start it and then later on if
Yes.
she wants
Yeah.
to talk.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Gauri Gangajaliwale, I welcome all the distinguished guests who are present here to listen today's program of Indian classical music. I want to give small introduction of today's artist, Miss Gauri Girish Gangajaliwale. Gauri Gangajaliwale, born on 10th December 1998 in a family of musicians of Gwalior Gharana. Her parental grandfather and grandmother both were the disciples of Gwalior Gharana. Both the grandparents were A-grade radio artists of Indian classical music vocal. Gauri was when 5-year-old. She likes to listen cassettes of classical and semi-classical music like Kishori Amonkar, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Asha Bhosle, Lata Mangeshkar, Jagjit Singh, etc. And also try to recite the same. To see her interest in music, she started to join classes of classical music. Her first guru from whom she started to learn classical music is Mrs. Rajni Shrutri. Under the guidance of Shrutri Madam, she started her journey of music and started to appear for exams conducted by Akhil Bharati Gandharv Mahavidyalaya, Mumbai. And she finally completed her music education of Sangeet Alankar. In her all academics, she stood first throughout her exam. Being differently abled, her basic education started in government school and she was topper throughout her education. Gauri has completed her BA and MA in music from renowned SNDT Girls College, Pune. In MA Music, her dissertation on topic Female Singers of Gwalior Gharana was specially admired by her external example because it was a uniquely represented after completing her post-graduation. Gauri has started to get professional training of Gwalior Gharana from her next guru, Shri Rishikesh Gangurde, who is the disciple of Pandit Ullas Kasharkar of Gwalior, Jaipur and Agra Gharana. Gauri has participated in many music competitions at national and international levels and she received certificates and cash prizes. Some of the important ones are as follows: Adarsh Vidyarthi Gan Puraskar, Arbutus Competition Puraskar, Inter College Youth Festival Puraskar, Gan Vardhan Janorikar Puraskar, Dr. Prabha Atre Puraskar, Sangeet Bhushan Pandit Ram Marathe Puraskar, Dr. C.R. Vyas Puraskar, D.V. Paruskar Puraskar. Recently, Gauri is selected to receive NCPA Mumbai scholarship for 2 years to get intensive training of music and where she has to develop her singing. At the same time, I am very much thankful to Vidushi Sania Patankar and her Prerna Music Organization who are doing a lot to promote young artists for stage programs in Indian classical music. Last but not least, I am also thankful to Mr. Shrikant Sabnes, Director of Shri Yoga Organization, in promoting Indian classical music at international platform. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी आपल्या समोर बिहाग रागातला छोटा ख्याल सादर करते. Thank you. Oh,
Excellent. Tanya, thank you. उत्तम झाले प्रोग्राम सगळे. You're on mute, so I can't hear you.
Really, we all are moved by the performances of today's all the artists. Best wishes to all of you. And our Prerana Music Organization trustees are also present in the audience. Shri Nitin Mahabaleshwarkarji and my mom, Dr. Suchitra Kulkarni. And I am really grateful to all Shri Yoga members and my uncle Shri Shrikant Sabnis and Shri Wagmareji and all of you for supporting this social and musical noble cause. And thanks to all on behalf of Prerana Music Organization. I wish to say few things about my organization. This is non-profit organization, Pune-based, social, culturally registered under Income Tax Act 80G and owned by myself and our trustees. I'm imparting classical music guidance for more than 200 students from all over India and from many countries. Today also many students are present from US and Canada, and we do organize music concerts of Indian classical, light music and instrumental, and all the lecture demonstrations, workshops, festivals, and we are extending our activities socially also, like helping physically challenged artists and needy backstage artists financially, giving them platform and fundraising concerts for orphanages, blind schools, and few organizations like Aple Ghar, Kothurud Blind School, and we aim at promotion of art and culture and our seminars for of stalwart artists for the young generation, and archival and many aspects are there. And Prerana organization have now coordinated state government Pandit Bhimsen Joshi festival also, where stalwarts like Padma Vibhushan Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia ji and many stalwarts, Begum Parveen Sultana ji performed in our organization. So really, we wish to connect all of you to our organization. And in the end, our trustee Nitin Mahabaleshwarkar will say a few lines. Nitinji, are you there? Hello, Nitin. Because
Hello.
for conducting
Yes,
all,
I'm audible?
yes,
Hello.
yes, you are audible. Please go on.
So, thank you all of you. And for conducting all these activities, funding is really essential. We wish to appeal to help for these activities for donations. Those can be deposited in Prerna Music Organization only. A bank account is there. The procedure, anyone can connect to my guru Sania ji's number you are having, and Mama is having also. So thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yes,
Nitin.
yes.
All right. It's a bit late here, Sania. It's almost
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
And so again, if there are any questions, comments, we can continue. But otherwise, we'll end this session. I have recorded it, and so even though the music part was recorded, you have the entire session recorded now.